This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Hi guys! While Sam is conquering the mountains of Tibidabo, I decided to draw him, but something went wrong. So instead of Sam, I got this cat. I named her Kitty. Now Kitty needs a house, so it's time to draw it. I forgot to tell you, before leaving, Sam shared a bit of his slime speed with me. This will really come in handy in our craft. Check this out. Hop. Hop. Great! Oh, I almost forgot about the mirror. It's the most important thing in the dressing room. Bing! Much better.
I wish Sam was here. I really want to meet him.
Don't worry, Kitty. When he's back, you're gonna meet him for sure.
Is it just me or is there something drawn here? What are you hiding?
Me? Hiding? Never. Better check out your beautiful bathroom.
No, Meow! I know for sure that you hid something. Tell me! Tell me!
Okay. Yes, I have a surprise here. Don't look yet. You'll see it later, I promise. Kitty, do you like the colors I chose? It's you who is gonna live here after all.
I like the hallway, but what about these rooms? Are they gonna stay like that?
They sure aren't. Just watch how I'll be transforming this black and white picture into a bright room. Check it out! Your house is getting more colorful!
Can you finish other rooms as fast as you did? Or you ran out of energy?
Easy peasy, watch and learn! Phew, now I'm tired. Sam didn't warn me that super speed is so exhausting.
Where are other rooms? You're defo hiding something from me.
I just want our mini house tour to be a surprise for you two, and not just for the viewers.
Would you look at her? And what's here? Come on, Sue, spit it out!
Shoo! You're so impatient, just like our Sammy. Oh, I already miss him. Look at your wonderful house! But that's not all! This way we'll define your needs at every moment. I'll put them here for now.
Meow, so cool! What else is here? Tell me already!
Should I cover you with the box and leave you inside?
Meow, no! I don't like closed spaces!
Kitty, relax. It was just a joke, but I still can't reveal my secret yet.
Okay, but don't prank me like that, and we can become good friends.
Alright, then hide behind the door and we'll start playing. So shall we? Guys, we invite you to Kitty's house! And we are welcoming our guests! Today you will have a sneak peek at Kitty's life! Knock knock! Welcome the guests!
Oh, you're already here! Hello, everyone! Meow! Please come in!
Come in one by one, guys! Please don't rush and take off the shoes!
Welcome to my house! I'm always happy to have guests here!
So, what is Kitty's morning routine? I always go to the bathroom first. How about it, Kitty?
Great! I have an important business there, actually.
And I can guess what it is. I'll help you with that. Here, you can come inside. No one will see or disturb you here.
Thanks. Then I will leave you for a sec if you don't mind.
Kitty is ready to proceed with our mini reality show.
Yeah, but we're not done with the bathroom yet.
Sure, you still need to take a shower or a bath, but we'll start with teeth brushing. Our kitty needs a little makeover.
Here I am, Meow. I didn't brush my teeth yet, so please excuse me.
Don't worry, we'll make your teeth shine bright. Look how clean her teeth are! Guys, don't forget to brush your teeth in the morning, too.
Now my breath is super fresh.
I'm happy that you're happy. Now it's time to take a bath.
Even though cats don't like water, I love a good bath.
But you're not gonna bathe in your clothes, right? Let's take them off.
Yay! Warm water! I love it! Do you want to take a bath too?
I will skip it this time, but the ducky will be happy to join you.
But my bathtub is too small. It can't fit everyone.
Now, Kitty, hold your breath, or the soap will get into your mouth and eyes. Kitty, are you ready to proceed?
Phew, it's so nice to be clean.
I agree, but our journey doesn't end in the bathroom. So let's give our cat a moment and we'll move on. Kitty, I hope that you had enough time. Oh, your fur looks so fluffy now. We have to fix it. Let's go to the dressing room.
Please follow me, though I don't show this place often.
I guess you will need my help, though. Let me brush you now, all right? And we're ready for the next step. Let's do some makeup. I will prepare everything for that.
Meow, my favorite part! I love makeup! Meow, guys, check it out how we're gonna do it.
Sure, Kitty. With such a surveillance, everything is going to be perfect. A little bit here. Let's make it brighter so the eyes look more expressive.
Are you sure you're doing it right? I don't want any mistakes.
Kitty, don't move, or I will really make a mistake. And then we'll have to start all over again.
Okay. I want to be the most beautiful cat.
I'll do my best, just like an experienced makeup artist. One move and a perfect eye makeup is done.
Oh, I can become even more beautiful than Egyptian cats. Brrr.
Which one to choose? I know! This is a perfect choice!
Oh, this is scary. I hope the brush won't get into my eye.
It won't, don't worry. But don't close your eyes. Once I blinked accidentally, so I had to redo the whole makeup. Okay, this part is done. Just the lower lid is left. Let's get to it!
I used to think that cats are beautiful without any makeup.
Of course! Everyone is naturally beautiful, but sometimes you want to add some accents. Check out how bright your eyes are now! Guys, give our kitty a thumbs up!
What shall we do to finish the makeup?
I will add some blush here and here, so everything looks symmetrical. There we go!
I want to see how beautiful I am!
You remind me of Sammy. He also thinks that he's the most handsome one. Now don't talk, because I'm applying the lipstick. Here! Oops!
What is it? What happened?
Uh-oh. Sorry. It's a wrong shade. Don't worry. I'll fix it in a second. I think this color fits better. Phew! I was right about the shade this time. This is a perfect choice for our makeup.
Are you done? Can I look? Please, meow.
You're just like Sam. He's also very impatient. I want to add some stars to make your face shine bright.
I'll be a super queen, but I need an outfit and a hairdo.
Phew, let me rest a bit. It's hard to be a makeup artist. We'll proceed in a second.
Sue, meow, hurry up. Let's choose a hairdo for me.
Okay. I'm totally in. Come to this side and we'll start. Hop. Perfect. Beep. Nope, not this one.
I don't like it at all. Do you have other options?
Beep. I think this hairstyle is a perfect fit. What do you say?
I like it. Meow. Now I need a matching outfit.
I agree. So shall we try some clothes on? Here we go.
Meow, I'm so ready. Guys, are you with us? Give us a thumbs up if yes.
We'll start with clothes. Let's try this outfit. We also need a hair accessory. That doesn't look bad.
Add more accessories. The style is about details.
Okay. But it's not what we need. Let's redo. Oh, you're so serious. Don't worry, I can make it. I have a perfect taste. You'll be the most gorgeous cat. Voila! Awesome!
I have to say you did great.
Thanks! Now I guess Kitty is hungry already. Shall we go to the kitchen? Here we go. It's time to change the location. Now let's see. Hop! And we're moving here.
I'm so hungry. Oh, but there's nothing here.
Okay. Then we'll do some food shopping. The supermarket is right here, in the house. Nice assortment and reasonable prices. We'll take some ice cream. Here we go. And this will be good for a smoothie. Let's put it here. Awesome!
Smoothie? Brrr, interesting. Then you have to use the blender.
Right you are. And that's just what I thought about. Now we have everything ready. Let's pour it in the glass.
This is sure tasty. Come on, feed me already.
Give me a sec. You will have as much food as you want.
Nom 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 nom.
Well, I hope you are full. We have one more thing left to do. Don't go anywhere just yet, guys. A busy day in our cat house is almost over, guys. Our kitty is really sleepy. So let's go to the bedroom. We have a warm and cozy bed there.
I'm ready to rest. Meow.
Good night, kitty. You have a wonderful house.
Meow.
We don't yet, but with this spyglass, we'll be able to see everything that goes on in the park. I call it the Patroller Vision 3000.
I'm not sure, Spearmint. What was wrong with the old way we gathered the park news?
Just have a turn. You've hardly tried it since I set it up.
No, thank you. If that Patrollo doodad is going to be doing our job, I'll go find something else to do. See you later, partner.
Oh, all right then. I'll be here. Just you and me now.
Oh, hello, Zinnia. How's it going with the new spyglass?
Hey, Rose. You heard about that, huh? So I'm looking for work.
You could come with me. I'm helping judge a cooking contest. Ellery has challenged Thorn.
Ellery cooking food? Isn't taking it more his style?
Maybe he wants to change. Or you could join Daffodil Cap and Lilac. They're growing summer blooms just down the path.
Oh, growing. Why, I haven't done that in a long time. Yeah, that's a great idea, Rose. I'll see you later, next to a whole field of my very own flowers.
Sorry, Ellery. I agree with Bobby. It's a mistake.
Big mistake. What are you two going on about? Challenging Thorn to a cooking contest is a genius idea. Ah, we've had your cooking. The food was yucky. Fine. I'm not the gourmet chef that Thorn is. But listen carefully. I'm not trying to win.
Then why have the contest?
Because, my fluff-headed friends, Thorn will be so busy showing off his fancy cooking, he won't notice me grabbing other yummy treats.
Now, that is a genius idea. I hope you don't forget us when you get all of that food.
Of course not.
All right, first things first. This hamper is the prize for the winner of the contest. Bucky, tell Ellery what I put inside.
Brambleberry turnovers, pumpkin seed energy bars, walnut crackers, and what's the last thing again?
Cherry mini muffins, which I believe are Ellery's favorite. Of course, you won't get the hamper because I'll win the contest. Easily.
Ellery, forget stealing food. Win the contest.
You think so, Thorn? Well, I have news for you. I'm going to win that hamper fair and square.
All right. Time to concentrate on cooking, please. The food you will be making will be a carrot and pea pot pie. Mounds of marigolds, rows of chrysanthemums, and a field of daisies. Sounds fabulous, Zinnia.
Oh, thank you, Lilac. Here I go. Oh, I'm just a little rusty. I'll try again. I've been on patrol with Spearmint so long, I've forgotten how to grow.
You just need to relax. Go on. Breathe in.
I always do a few stretches first.
Now shake yourself out like this.
I think that actually worked. Thanks, guys. Mounds of marigolds. Oh, one tiny old blade of grass? Why, there's already plenty of that. I'll leave it to you growers.
Time to take another look through my trusty Patroller Vision. Oh, yeah, it's so relaxing under this shady tree.
Can't patrol because Spearmint's got that covered. Can't grow because I've lost my growing power. Can't help anyone.
Oh, there's a butterfly over there that looks kind of tired. Why don't you go and help her?
Hold up a minute, bunnies. Where is this butterfly? Huh?
Is anyone here? Please help.
Penelope? Is that you? Where are you?
Huh? Sorry, Ellery. Thorn's tastes more delicious. he wins the contest.
Wait! This round doesn't count. It was a warm-up round. All the best cooking contests have them. Rose, I insist on another round.
Fine by me. I can cook all day.
All right then, let's see. The second dish you have to make will be blueberry pudding.
Penelope, what happened?
I don't know, Zinnia. I was very, very thirsty, so I plopped down for a drink, and now I can't fly.
You need some nectar. Here, I'll help you get up.
I was hoping you and Spearmint might find me on your patrol.
Patrol has stopped. Spearmint has a spyglass now, but he didn't see you were in trouble. I knew that patrolo thingy was no good.
Sorry for asking, Zinnia, but could you possibly grow me a flower so I can have some nectar to drink?
I can't. But don't worry, Penelope. I'll find you a lily bud who can.
Zinnia's flower flare.
Here you go, Thorn. Have a little salt in your sugar.
Zinnia's in some kind of trouble. I need to get Spearmint and find her. You take over as judge.
It's fine, Buggy. As you'll see, I've got this again.
It's really salty. Ugh. I'm sorry, Chef Dord.
I am the winner.
Guess you are, Ellery, even if you cheated. Unless you want another round.
I don't think so, Thorn. No, I'll take my winner's prize and be on my way.
Chef Dord, if Ellery cheated, why did you let him run off with all the delicious food you made?
Don't worry, Bucky. All part of the plan.
Thirsty. I'm so Zinnia, I'm so thirsty.
Your words are getting mixed up. I hope help gets here soon.
What's going on with that butterfly?
She's become dehydrated in the heat. I've called for help, but it's taken so long and now...
Enough excuses. There's a fellow animal in trouble. You need to grow this lady a drink.
But I can't grow flowers anymore.
Oh, you've come to the right rabbits. We'll get you back into shape. Dead, what right?
And what does she need?
Nectar.
And when does she need it?
Now?
And who can do it?
Me?
That's right. Keep trying.
I will!
Yeah! We have a flower. Repeat, we have a flower.
I can do better. Penelope, what's your favorite nectar flower?
Alliums.
I don't know what's slowing me down, Rose. I'm usually much faster.
Your patrol always kept you in great shape. Perhaps you're spending too much time sitting around with that spyglass.
Gosh, Zinnia, thank you. I was so thirsty.
Rose, Spearmint, thanks for coming. Everything's fine now. Penelope got dehydrated, and I couldn't grow any flowers for her until Bobby and Bibi here helped me out.
Oh, Penelope, I'm sorry I didn't spot you. Zinnia, I was wrong about the patroller vision. It can never replace our patrol on the ground. But you'll need a new partner. As Rose will tell you, I can barely run anymore.
Oh, no worries, my trusty steed. I know 2 expert coaches who will whip you back into shape.
Ellery, you won the contest.
Yes, sort of.
Oh, open up. Let's see what you won.
Brambleberry turnover, pumpkin seed energy bar recipe cards. What? I can't eat these.
You'll have to learn to cook, Ellery. The way to get good at something is to keep trying. Isn't that right, Zinnia?
Absolutely, Bibi. Spearmint, time for us to saddle up and get back on patrol. Think you're ready?
Oh, I'm ready. First up, the top of the hill, to remove that spyglass and dump it in the trash.
Yeah! Yeah! See y'all later. Let's ride, partner.
We did that. And we could coach you in cooking if you want, Ellery.
Huh? Little cookie?
No, thank you.